Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about selling scarves online. So we don't know, and even like you don't know and I don't know about selling scarves online. So to know about selling how to sell scarves online, we will read an article on Ecwid.com to understand all the things about selling scarves online. So let's go without wasting much more time. Let's go and read out the article. Sell scarves online and make money with Ecwid. Do you sell scarves online? Create a free Ecwid store and boost your revenue by expanding your reach. Sell on social media, Google your website, or in person. We don't take transaction fees, so your profits stay where they belong, in your pocket. Why Ecwid? Sign up for free Ecwid account and create your own scarf store in just a few simple steps. No tech savvy. No worries, with Ecwid, you don't need any experience with coding or web design. Plus, our easy to use shipping, payment, and tax options make selling scarves online a piece of cake. And our plans grow with your business. The best way to sell scarves online. You don't have to worry about choosing the best way to sell scarves online when you can sell them anywhere. Run an Ecwid store on your own website, on popular social media platforms, or through marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Open your very own instant site in just a few minutes or simply add a buy now button to your blog. Choose the sell channel that works best for you and expand your business plan as you grow. Sell everywhere from one control panel. With Ecwid, you're ready to roll wherever you want to sell. Try out a new platform or expand your social sharing to social selling. Sell on Facebook, sell on Instagram, sell on TikTok, sell on Pinterest, sell on WhatsApp, sell on Google, sell in person. Sell scarves on the go. These days, we do everything on the go, including shopping and even selling. So we've created the Ecwid mobile app available on the App Store and Google Play, which allows you to sell your scarves online and run your business from the palm of your hand. Manage orders, add new scarves, modify inventory, accept payments, and more from a single control panel. Print shipping labels faster and cheaper. Skip the line at the post office. Ecwid can automatically generate your shipping labels and calculate shipping costs right from your Ecwid control panel. Print at home, then drop off your packages or schedule a USPS pickup. Ecwid, an excellent e-commerce solution for selling scarves online. Ecwid's super-friendly e-commerce platform gives you everything you need to help you grow your talent or skill into a profitable and efficient business. No coding. Don't speak tech. Don't worry, we've removed the headache of manually setting up your own personal website and giving it selling capabilities. Ecwid provides automation and an easy to navigate solution for helping you sell scarves online. Secure payments. Ecwid's reputation for security ensures that your e-commerce solution offers a secure payment system for business transactions, as well as a vibrant marketplace for reaching a large customer base, online and offline. With an extensive background in online technology, Ecwid is able to cater not only to business already selling scarves online, but can also provide an easy to set up model for those who are interested in selling scarves in person. Marketplaces. Ecwid doesn't depend on one sales plan or business model for selling scarves online. Instead, it offers you the freedom to adapt your software in ways that work for your business and sell on every major selling platform at once, including Google Shopping, Amazon, and eBay. Social selling. Are you a social media maven with a big following for a small business? Then selling scarves through social media seems like a no-brainer. Ecwid can help you talk up your products across major social networks like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, and even integrates with certain apps to let you sell directly through them. Cool, huh? Start selling scarves online. Set up your Ecwid store once and easily sync it to sell on your website. Social media marketplaces like Amazon and Live in Person, get started with one or try them all. So you have to click on this to create a scarves store, and then just list the items and just sell them and make a handsome amount of profit. So that was the article about selling scarves online. I hope you've understood everything about selling scarves online. So I think we should end this video here. So we'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.